Today is move around day. This is one time that I wish you could put your hands through the TV and help me do some pushing, lifting, and pulling. Just got the wheels back on the Bronco. Bronco's coming off of this lift, going back over towards the paint booth to get some touch-up work done, some final fit and finish, and all the panels hung on it. So that's gonna be great. Still got some wiring and stuff to do. It's not ready to button up yet and drive off into the sunset, but we're getting really close. So just got the wheels on, not for the last time, but just to get it moving. Get it off of this lift, and after that, I've got to get the chassis for the 55 Chevy pickup truck off of the other lift onto this lift. Oh, before we do that, we got to get the cab on the lift, chassis under it, put the cab on the chassis, then get it up in the air, bolt everything down, and get it back on the other lift. Man, I need you guys to push. Come on, let's get some work done. All right, you saw the fiasco on the Bronco, got it over there, thanks to my wife, world's most amazing wife. So got this inside here, got to get it up in the air now. Ta-da! All right, one step closer. All right, because this is going to be a cool driver, I sandblasted, primed, and now rubberized 3M undercoating the bottom of the 55 Chevy truck. Now, this is going to be a driver. It's not a show truck. It's just a really cool, clean shop truck for a good friend of mine at his tire store. So big shout out to Kevin over at Kev's Can Cave. Not only does he know about beer cans, soda cans, oil cans, tobacco cans, he knows about spray cans. And he just had a video, probably last week, that talked about cleaning the nozzles on your spray can. Kevin, thanks buddy. This is the second can I used. The first can, I cleaned the nozzle 3 times, and it actually comes with a nozzle tip, extra one, but I cleaned the first one twice and cleaned the second one once before I went and swapped out. So thanks Kev for the tip on that. It sure helped the boy out. So if you haven't checked out Kev's Can Cave, you need to check him out. Lots of neat tricks, tools. Man, Kev's got it going on over there. Vintage motorcycles, the whole works. So just a little shout out to Kev because you helped me out today, brother. All right, let's get back at this. I've got one coat on, gonna hit it one more time with the second can, layer it up just a little bit. And this one's gonna be ready to set back on the chassis. So not every car gets a tinted spray-on bed liner or a mirror finish paint job underneath. Cars that are meant to be driven hard and meant to be driven often, this is all you need to do. Sandblast the bottom, prime the bottom, and then hit it with a good 3M rubberized undercoating. None of that Walmart stuff that's $5 a can. This stuff's probably about $20 a can. This is not paid for or anything like that. I mean, I bought these cans. I keep about 10 or 12 of them in stock. You never know when you're gonna need them. So that's what I'm doing, putting a second coat of that on. So let's get after it. I gotta get my mask on and get my glasses on. All right, that's what it looks like now, guys. Nice and clean. Be able to spray it off really good. Put the stuff on like it says put it on. It'll stay on forever on one of these old hot rods. Nice, even finish. Not gummy looking. And you can see it's already starting to dry, but it'll dry flatter than it is now, so. I know that I'm ready to set this back on the chassis with the quickness. So let's get it done. All right, it's out in the sunlight now. Time to blow it off, sort out all the parts that are stacked on top of it, and put that stuff in a different location to where it'll be safe. All the painted pieces, and let's put that painted cab back on the chassis. Just a quick walk under. The 55 Chevy truck. Still got to finish the exhaust. You guys haven't seen much of this truck other than just doing the paint and body. So stay tuned for some final builds on this. Now that we've got the body back on. We got interior, wheels, tires. Finish the exhaust, finish the paint, wire it, and send her down the road for some good times. So please subscribe, like, tag, share. Fun times. All right, guys, it's been a long day, a long 2 days actually, moving stuff around, getting stuff prepared, and getting all my stuff lined up to put this body on this chassis, get the Bronco in the paint booth, get the Chevelle running, that cold start, that was pretty cool. Lots of stuff going on the last 2 days. I am wore out. Just getting over that stomach bug, and I tell you, I have no energy whatsoever, and I put in a couple of 12-hour days. So it's time for me to head in, get dressed, get ready. Got my high school pizza guys. We all meet once a month for pizza. Best day, man, I tell you, it's great. If you got to stay in touch with your high school buddies. These guys have been my friends since high school, and some of them even before that. So reach out to your friends, say hi. You never know how long you got them until you miss them. So with that said, I'm heading in, shower, clean up, grab a hot rod, and head and get me some pizza. May carry you guys along. Watch to the end of the video, and we'll see if we take a road trip out of this. As always, thanks for watching. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you in the next episode.